The first session of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, which commenced on Monday after a gap of 6 years, witnessed chaos after People's Democratic Party (PDP) MLA Wahid Para moved a resolution opposing the abrogation of the Article 370 and called for restoring the Union Territory's special status. Representing Pulwama, Para submitted the resolution to the newly elected Speaker Abdul Rahim Rathar, urging it be discussed during the 5-day session despite it not being on the finalized agenda. Para urged the Speaker authority permitted adding the resolution as it reflected public sentiment. The resolution sparked immediate protest from BJP's 28 MLAs who opposed the move. BJP MLA Shyamlal Sharma even demanded Para's suspension for allegedly violating assembly procedures. Speaker Rathar called for claim and order, assuring that he would review the resolution if it reached him officially. However, BJP members continued their protests, prompting criticism from National Conference MLAs who accused them of disrupting the session. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah downplayed the resolution, stating it held no importance and suggested it was more a media gesture than a substantive proposal. He noted that decisions on issues like Article 370 should be approached with broader consensus rather than individual motions. Nonetheless, he acknowledged that the people of Jammu and Kashmir had not fully accepted the revocation of Article 370.